How to use the loyalty program. The loyalty program is based on dividing traders by the level of total deposit. If your total deposit is up to $1,000, you are a beginner trader. You have access to basic features for a comfortable start in trading, the maximum trade amount of up to $1,000 and a 5% discount in the market if you have more than $100 in your account. You've made a total deposit of $1,000 to $10,000. Welcome, Master! Get an expanded set of options for confident trading. Maximum trade amount of up to $2,000, increased return on assets of 2%, personal discount in the market of 10%, and availability of express trades. A total deposit of over $10,000 indicates that you are a guru. At this level, you have the maximum trading options available. Trade amount of up to $3,000, increased profitability of 4%, a discount in the market of 15%, express trades, and priority consideration of support requests. Receive an invitation from your personal assistant to the VIP level. You'll enjoy a personal assistant, trades of up to $5,000, 6% returns, 20% discount in the market, express trades, priority withdrawals, VIP badge, private VIP chat, training webinars, exclusive offers and benefits, cashback, the opportunity to upgrade one of your friends to VIP for 1 month, free participation in tournaments, and priority access to new platform features. Once you reach a total deposit of over $100,000, you are invited to the VIP Elite level. You get a maximum trade amount of $20,000, an increased profitability of 8%, a personalized market discount of 25%, and enhanced VIP level options. See your current account level in your profile now. Trade more and get more lucrative benefits. Try it now. Follow the link in the description.